Hey guys, Chef Lorious here. So we are back this morning to do a recap of the live from last night. Last night we made the most amazing swine and cheese burgers. They were made with sausage and bacon, unbelievable. And what I told you guys was that if you had questions to post them and I would come back and answer them, but I didn't want to take away from the cooking time because the food was on point. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so there were some questions. Some were posted directly on the live chat itself, and some were sent to me in other places. So I'm going to answer the questions for you guys so you can know exactly how to make your own swine-inspired stuffed burgers for Memorial Day and any other day. You can have a swine burger whenever you want one. Okay, question one. Someone asked, could we use turkey meat with the sausage? The answer is yes. Now, generally speaking, turkey meat is a lot drier and it doesn't have the same juicy properties, you know, that a ground beef will have. But if you do turkey meat, I would say, first of all, you do ground turkey meat, not ground turkey breast, because that's really dry, okay? But to be honest, because you're putting the sausage in there, you might be able to compensate for it. But the short answer is yes, you can use turkey meat in this recipe as well and do turkey sausage with ground beef, or you can do ground turkey with sausage. Yes, you can do it, and I'm sure it will taste delightful. All right. The next question was about what type of buns did we use. We used an onion bun and a brioche bun. Now, onion buns I love because the flavor is really mild, and some people say, like I've had friends say, oh, I don't like onion buns. I'm like, have you ever tried one? Because you know what, they don't really have a lot of flavor to them. It's not overwhelming. They have a hint of flavor that really just acts to accentuate the flavor of the burger or whatever you're already eating, but they are not overwhelming. And it's not like this big onion, you know, overall, like you're like, oh my God, it's onion overload. That's not what it does, but it's good. If you haven't had one, I'd say try one. They're delicious and they're really good on burgers. The other bread we used was brioche bread. I love brioche bread. Brioche is a very soft, eggy, French type of bread. It's a little sweet bread. It's not a sweet dessert bread, but it has a level of sweetness to it that is just delightful. What I love most about brioche bread is how soft it is. Brioche is it's so good. It makes wonderful French toast. If you've seen my stuffed French toast video, I use brioche bread in that because it's absolutely delicious. I love what brioche does. Try a brioche as well. I would say make the burgers and eat two. One with brioche and one with an onion bun, and then you'll know which one you like best. You're welcome. Okay, next question was about how far to cook the burgers. I made a statement in the video that you want to cook it all the way done because you have the sausage in there. And that's true, but I want to clarify that a little bit because there was a little misunderstanding. When you're cooking just a plain beef burger, you know when you're eating beef, you like to have it medium, or some people like it well done, but you have that little space in there to work with. When you have a sausage in there, you want to cook it a little bit farther than you normally would. If medium, it would be your choice because you want the pork to get done. Now, you can eat pork. Some people eat their pork medium. I mean, you know, do your thing. It's you. But you don't have to have it like a burnt burger for it to be done. But you don't have to. I would also not advise making it like a medium rare kind of thing. Okay, so I'm hoping that makes sense to you guys. Just kind of cook it in the middle. Let the juiciness stay, but definitely just enjoy the burger. Enjoy the swine. Okay. Question about the type of sausage we used. So this time we used sweet Italian sausage. You can use hot Italian sausage, mild Italian sausage, anything. I also have a chorizo burger that I'm gonna show y'all one day that's, yes, honey, yes. But I used sweet sausage tonight, and the reason I used sweet sausage this time was I really wanted it to be a universal burger. Sometimes when you go into the spices, everyone doesn't like spicy, and it can be a little off-putting. And since I was doing this for Memorial Day or cookouts, you know, you want to be as friendly as you can to everybody. I didn't use mild because mild is very mild, you know, and there's not a lot of flavor in it. Now, the burger would still be good, but I just like what sweet sausage does, okay? So sweet sausage is what we use tonight, but any sausage is good. And the last question was about the avocado aioli we made. Remember aioli, that first cousin to mayo? I'm trying, y'all, I'm hurrying. Y'all know I like to talk. Okay, so the question was about the raw eggs. Mayonnaise is made with raw eggs. You may not have known that, but it is. And so when you're making aioli, that's why you very slowly are going to mix it and you're aerating it. You're basically letting air whip up through it so it gets its volume. But yes, it is made with raw eggs. If that doesn't make you comfortable or you're kind of like, oh, I don't know, you can always use egg product. You know, that comes in a little partner, you can substitute that in. It's still a form of raw egg, but it's not quite the same thing. It's a little bit safer, especially if you're expecting. All right, guys, so those are all the questions we had about last night's live. Thank you. I love this. Keep them coming. I'll try to always answer I'll always answer your questions. I'll write you back, whatever I can do to make sure you understand. And I told you we were going to have a winner for for people tagging people in the video, tagging your friends so they could come over here to the Chef Lorious world. We were going to randomly select a winner, and you guys were so awesome. There's two winners of 2 of the Chef Lorious seasonings. I'm going to see if I have one around for you. Oh, stay right there. Don't y'all love how real these videos are? This is Chef Lorious house seasoning. The winner is going to get 2 bottles of this, and we selected 2 winners at random because you guys were amazing. So here are our winners. Number 1, Sarah Lee Smeltcop. Girl, I'm sorry. You know who you are. I'm gonna tag you in this video. And secondly, Winifred Cornell. Thank you both for tag, and the random gods love you because you are the winner. You will each receive 2 of these jars of Chef Lorious seasoning. Please send me a direct message with your address so I can get your packages in the mail to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching me. I'll see you next week. Join me for live cooking. Don't forget to follow this page. All that other good stuff I always tell you, you know. Have a wonderful day. Happy cooking.